What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video. We have a pair of UGG Neumels. I realized I never made a dedicated video to how to clean the UGG Neumel version, even though the process is pretty similar. So I'm gonna show you guys on this pair. You guys can see this pair is pretty dirty. That's like real dirty. You guys see what's going on. The other pair has barbecue sauce on it, but I'm gonna save this for like shorts and reels and stuff. So you'll see this pair too, but we're just gonna focus on the cleaning of the regular pair. Let's get right into it. So to begin the cleaning, I'm gonna be using some Rejuvenator. I'm gonna be using their soft textured brush because obviously these are camel fur. Yeah. Not camel, sheepskin. So as always, I'm gonna start my way from the tongue and just make my way around the entire boot. And now I'm going to use my microfiber cloth to just go ahead and pat dry it all. Get all the soap out. And now I'm going to take a stiff texture brush and just go ahead and use it to clean the entire outsole portion of the boots. And a trick I learned for the drying process of the UGG boots, this one is a dry brush. It's the same brush, but it's a dry one. So basically, just brush the shoe through. You guys can see it kind of lightens up. And you can see the textures change. Just brush the shoe through a little bit before you leave them to dry, and it'll dry a lot better and save you steps when it's time to bring the suede back. Now to bring the texture back, if you have one of these brushes, you can use this, or if you have a suede eraser, you can also use that. Just go like this, and this will go ahead and it will lift the nap up and get everything back to how it's supposed to originally feel. You guys can see the texture change there. And here you can see the difference in color between the one we just went over and the one we haven't yet. It's still a lot darker. Now we're going to take some Angelus mink oil, go ahead and just spray around. And we'll use our soft texture brush and just go ahead and brush it all through. Alright guys, we're back with it. It's currently snowing right now. That's why the boots are like wet. You guys can see the flakes and stuff on it. But it came out absolutely beautiful. Like, look at that. Came out absolutely beautiful. If you need this treatment done to your own pairs, DM the IGJ Restorations, and I'll see you guys in the next one.